Hi everyone, how are you today? I wanna show you in this lecture video how you can get a lot of money in general 0 hour. So stay tuned, let's start. Okay my friends, if you want to get a lot of money in general 0 hour, follow my steps. As you can see here, let's run the game.
EA Games.
Challenge everything.
Terrorist base destroyed by American forces while defending
Our
civilians.
victorious force.
Okay, as you can see here guys, starting cash, the maximum is $50,000. Okay, I want to modify this one, so close the game, go to your this PC. Okay, as you can see here, look at documents, also command and conquer general 0 hour data. As you can see here, double click, search for skirmish file. As you can see here, skirmish file, right click, edit. Here guys, as you can see, we have some info about the game. Search for starting cash, that's it. As you can see, it's $50,000. Okay, modify this number to $1 million. 1 million, that's it. Okay, when you finish, click file, save. Okay, now let's test the game. Double click.
EA Games.
Challenge everything.
Terrorist.
Okay, solo skirmish. Okay guys, here starting cash appear as $10,000. Don't modify this number. Okay, just select your team and click play game. Be sure or ensure to do not modify this number. Okay, play game. As you can see guys, here we have $1 million
Yeah,
of money.
keep 'em busy. Good area.
We can buy more and more of weapons and tanks.
Want to make some improvements? Let's get to work. Done.
Okay, that's it guys.
Let's
Thank
get
you
to
for
work.
watching. Don't forget to
All
like,
finished.
subscribe and share the game.